What's up, everyone? I want to show you all the exact strategy that we took today inside Team Bull. Kind of walk you through what I seen pre-market, why I switched up my game plan after market open. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. This trade was on SPY. Now let's talk about my level that we created pre-market. First off, this 398.2.3 area is what we was watching. This is what I said pre-market. I want to see this level for puts, okay? Reason being, it was a nice resistance on the hourly time frame. We had the 20 EMA sitting there as well. And, it's quite a ways, a nice push back up to it. That's what I like to see when I'm looking for these rejects. But I had to change my game plan once the market opened. Now, let me tell you why. As you can see here on this hour candle, we pushed down, right? We broke through this. You look back here, you can see this has become somewhat of a resistance, right? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Just get a closer look at this. So, I announced inside my channel, I said, I'm going to watch like a 396.8 for puts. Okay. This was the opening candle. We come down, we hit this bounce area I was watching. I took this lightly. I did. And I scalped it back up to this 395.8 area. I said, okay. I was watching. I said, this is a good entry for puts because we was trending down, right? On the 5-minute time frame, you can see we're clearly trending down, and you do not want to fight against trend too much. If I do take a bounce in trend, it's always a scalp, okay? And that's what happened here. I took that scalp back up. I said, okay, I know this is the main area I'm watching, but I do want to start my position around this area just so I don't miss the trade. If we push on up, I will add to it. That's exactly what I did. I started my position at 395.8. We pushed up. I added more at 395.6. Nearly caught the top of this candle. Had a really, really good feel on my 396 puts there. And it did exactly what we wanted it to do. Contracts exploded once we broke down into the money there again. Once we got back to my 395.8, which was my original entry, it was already well into profits. This is a beautiful trade overall. I did get my full size in on this, which is a really good thing, especially when you have a trade go this well. We currently have some members still in puts. They took the next entry right here. They took this lower high entry as well. So if they missed this initial entry, they was patient, waited on a nice pullback for a lower high, and they took their puts there. And now, they're playing this move here, which is working out really nice. When you're trading trend to the downside, that's exactly what you want to look for. You want to catch it off a lower high. That's how you want to enter for puts. Be patient. You don't want to be chasing these big red candles. That's chasing. You need to wait for a nice pullback to allow for the proper risk to reward. Super simple trading strategy. If you have any more in-depth questions on this, always feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.